Welcome to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media.
Top new collection multimeter reviews.
Number 4.
Specifics: manufacturer, Alien Tech, 40 German marks digital multimeter. Item dimensions LXWXH:5.5 x 3 by 1 inches, min, operating voltage, 4 volts DC. Upper temperature rating, 40 degrees Celsius, brand, Alien Tech.
Number 3.
The PM55A Pocket Multimeter is a compact, portable tool featuring non-contact voltage detection for safe testing. It accurately measures electrical parameters, making it ideal for quick diagnostics, maintenance, and everyday use by professionals and DIY users.
Number 2.
Product sell points: large screen, ensures clear and easy-to-read display even in low light. Full automatic, simplifies testing with automatic range and function selection. Smart professional, designed for reliable performance by skilled electricians and technicians.
Number 1.
Specifications: operating mode, auto range, certification, CE, FCC, RoHS. DIY supplies, electrical, model number, ZT702S, ZT703S.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.